Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this Cup TV brought to you by craftsyourprint.com. In this episode we're looking at the Christmas pop-up box kit by Julie Hill. Now I'm going to show you all the sheets that you get in Julie's kit, and then I'm going to show you how to make the pop-up box. You do get the envelope sheets included for the pop-up box, but we're not going to have time to see those. But you will be able to make it up nice and easy from the way that Julie's described how to do it with the front and the back of the envelope. So the sheets that you get in the kit, this is the main structure of your box for the actual pop-up box side of it. We've got lots of decorations. We've got more decorations, and these are the support tabs. Now I know that sounds a little bit complicated and you may be thinking, oh, don't know what they're going to do. I will show you. Very, very simple. We've got the actual decorations for the box panels, and that's for the outsides of the box and the flaps of the box. We've got a nice sheet of backing paper that matches, and then we've got the two sheets that make the envelope to match the box. So we're going to start with the base sheet of the box. Now you can see how it's laid out on the sheet, and when you cut it out you're left with something like this. Now Julie's included marks on the sheet for where you score and where you cut out. It's very self-explanatory. You're going to score along the edge of the three scallop panels through the centre of them. You're going to then score down each section here, and then you're going to cut the top of the scallops down to the centre like that. So then you've got your score lines, and you've also got the tab to make it up, and you're going to score along this line here as well. Now I've already added double-sided tape just on the tab, just for easiness. Now we're going to turn the box over, and on one of the sheets there's all the panels to make the box up and to decorate it. Now there's a large panel here, and this is the back panel. I've used all over adhesive just for quickness on my decorations. So we're going to add the back panel, and then we can fold our box. Now I'm going to use a bone folder just to make sure I've got nice sharp folds for the edges of the corners of the box, and I'm also just going to do the same with the panels that flap over, and then we can just make the box shape and then add all our decorations. So now we can fold it all into the box shape. I can remove the tape from the tab on the side, and then fold the sides over like so, and get edge to edge, corner to corner. There we go. So that's the start of our box shape, and you'll see how it folds flat to go in an envelope. So now we can start decorating it. Now for quickness, again, I've used the all over adhesive that's available, and I'm just going to start adding the two little mice panels at either side like that, and then I've got some more that I've decorated that I have here on the glue. So this is a larger panel for the back with the little elf on that we can add him, and then for the sides I have the other decorated panels as well. We'll put Santa at the front like that, and then I can do the sides as well. Get rid of my rubbish. And the side panels, we've got Mr. Penguin. We can add to that one. And then we've got 2 pussycats that we can add to the other 2. Now obviously at home you'll be taking a little bit more time over this. And that, there we go. And I've also taken a tag from the main sheet as well that I'm just going to add on the back, just at the top. And there's some blank ones as well for you to add your details. So those are the outsides of our panels decorated. Now I can add the tabs. Now there's 4 tabs on the sheet included. And what I did was, as I cut them out, I scored them at either end where Julie's marked them on the sheet. I scored them down each side, and then I've added double-sided tape at the end so that I can add them nice and quickly to the inside of the box. I'm going to start with the front one and pop it in. Then I can add the second one, and as I said, there's 4 of these and they will go inside nice and easy. You can use whatever tape you feel comfortable with. I've just used double-sided tape. You might want to use the red tape for firmer hold. Okay, this is our last support tab. There we go. So we'll just add that there. So you can see how the tabs just slot in and they stick to each side of the box. They still fall flat. And now this section, I'm going to lay it down. The section where the tabs are, this is where we're going to add our decorations that make it look like they're popping out of the box. So the first one I've got is the polar bear. Now only for quickness I'm using a tape runner. At home you'll be able to take a little bit more time and use whatever adhesive you want to be able to hold the embellishments in. But just for quickness, now we're adding the cats. Next we've got Mr. Penguin, and I'm just adding the adhesive on his feet so that I can just have him popping out of the box. And then I've got a cheeky little elf for the front, and I'm just adding the adhesive on his feet so that it can look like he's jumping out of the box. And then the last thing, I've got 2 candy canes. So you can see how you build up the decorations and you can add them. You can add as many as you like or as few as you like. I'm going to put one to the back of the candy canes, just to that side. And so we've built up all the decorations, and you can see how they look like they're all popping out of the box. And then it'll fall flat to go in the envelope. And it's just such a great idea. And it looks so fabulous for Christmas, something a little bit different. I do hope you've enjoyed watching. The cup number for the kit is cup919498_1031. Please check out the design and check out the rest of Julie's designs on Crafts You Print. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you next time.